Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make a vegetable stew. This is an extremely simple stew. There's no sautéing or tempering. All the ingredients are cooked in one pot and that's it. This stew is traditionally served with appam. I'll put an appam recipe soon using powder in a packet, so you don't have to spend many hours making appam batter. You can also serve this stew with any type of bread. It's comforting to eat and healthy. All the ingredients are in a link right below this video. We'll need potatoes, red onion, green chilies, ginger, curry leaves, green peas, fresh or frozen, coconut milk, and coconut oil. First peel, cut up the ginger, and crush it. Slice the red onion. Slit the green chilies in half. Use 1 for mild or 2 for medium heat. Set the onions and chilies aside. Peel the carrots. I do it right over a large bowl. All of this goes into my compost pile. Cut up the carrots into chunks. Put them right into the pot that you'll use to cook the stew. Peel the potatoes. This Y peeler makes peeling much easier and faster. Cut the potatoes. Put them in the same pot. Add salt and cover with water to cook the vegetables. Cover the pot and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the vegetables are tender but not mushy. Smash a few of the potatoes with a fork. This will thicken the gravy. Add the onions, green chilies, and ginger. Tear up a sprig of curry leaves. Add salt and coconut milk. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes until the onions are soft. When the onions are soft, taste and add more salt if you need to. Add the green peas. I let these frozen peas thaw while I prepare the other ingredients, so they don't need any time to cook. Tear up some curry leaves and add a teaspoon of coconut oil. The smell of this stew is amazing. Leave the stew aside, covered, for an hour. It tastes best as it sits. The gravy will also get a little thicker. The predominant flavor in this stew is the ginger and coconut milk. Notice we didn't add any spices to this stew. This is one of the few Indian dishes you'll find without turmeric or any other ground spice. The gravy is supposed to be white in color. You saw how simple this dish was to prepare. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Subscribe for more recipes and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.